Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today I want to show you how I messed up and then how I fixed this gel print. This is exactly what I had in mind. This is exactly what I wanted, this dark, dirty black background and the very bright geometrical shapes because I love this pink. And as you will see in the video, it's a very short video, but I think it's worth watching because I'm going to show you what went wrong and how you can fix it, proving once again that you do have some control after all. If you haven't seen yet, I have another video that I also take control over my final results, and I totally alter ugly plates, prints, and make them look nice again. So yes, you do have some control. You just have to be patient and don't give up. So let me go ahead and show you what happened. I started with my basic color, which is the pink, and I love this pink. However, it is a bit on the thick side, and I did put quite a bit to begin with. But I'm spreading the pink. So the paint goes really nice, really thick, and I do some scribbles just to create more interest on my background. And mind that I'm not used to work with such a big plate, but this week I challenged myself. I melted all my other plates and I made this one that is 9 by 13. So it's much bigger than what I'm used to work with. So now I'm gonna go ahead. Oh, let me give you this tip again if you haven't seen my previous videos when I show how to use this homemade placement tool. I'm just using a bracket that I bought at a hardware store for about €1. So it's not perfect, but it helps quite a bit. And I'm using only one, but you can use, sometimes I use both to help me a little more. But yeah, that is the little hack. So when I pull this print, oh wow, I'm really excited. I really like that pink. But then comes the second layer, and I go again for generous amount of black, and I put my shapes, very random shapes. I just cut random geometric shapes out of regular paper. There's my placement tool again, and I'll bring back that pink and wait for it. As I said, I am not used to work with such a big plate, and I think that also made a difference. It's a learning curve because you're spreading a lot more paint. You're dealing with a much bigger surface, so times to dry are different. And then look at that. Oh my gosh, I hate it. The pink is still there. There's no black on the background. What could possibly be wrong? So, in order to figure out what went wrong with my print, we're going to recreate that just in a much smaller scale. Just going to get a small piece of paper. And I'm going to show you what happened. So let's do our pink. A very nice layer of pink. There it is. And then just really quick. Then let's do a layer of black. And I'm going to go ahead and do a random geometric shape. There. Make it smaller, right in the middle. And now, when I pull that print, see what happened is resisting. because I realized this pink is really thick. And when I did that huge page with the pink, I did not wait long enough to dry. So when I tried pulling that second layer, it just resisted. And that's why I didn't get a nice dark background. So that's how I figured out what went wrong. And now let me show you how I fixed it. So here's the print, not so pretty. So I went back with the shapes and masking tape, and I just placed them right back where they belonged so that I could pull a second print. Mind that now this is really dry because I waited until the next day to do this process. Let me take a minute to ask you, if you're enjoying the videos, please like and subscribe. This really helps my channel. I'm just starting. I'm also welcoming any feedback because your comments help me figure out what to do next and what to improve and what not. Anyway, so here's the black layer. And just like that, I'm gonna pull again a layer of black. And hopefully it will work out. Let's see what we get. I accelerate through this. There's no need for you to see. Ta-da! So yes, I'm very excited. It totally worked. It was exactly what I wanted to have. The final result is perfect. I actually did a second time around to get that black even darker. And yeah, there you have it. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, and I will see you next week. Bye.